Molly. I was really inspired by Olga from Smart Art Materials. She was doing some really neat swipes with the Artist Loft Ready Pour paints, and they turned out really cool. I was actually waiting for the gold and the silver to come into my store. They were out for like the longest time here, even out online for a while. So I finally got them, and I'm actually gonna be using their silicone as well. So my idea is kind of like a water splashing, something like that, but I'm gonna do a controlled swipe. So let's see. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do a black swipe as well, but I really wanted to give this, it was in my head, so I really wanted to try this. So it's actually hurting me to use all of this Artist Loft for the white base, but I have it, so it's not gonna do me any good just sitting there, huh? So I'm gonna spread this on around, go over to the edges. So I'm gonna do kind of a negative space controlled swipe, basically. Kind of like I do with my ocean pours, but I wanted to try it with the Artist Loft. So I'm just gonna spread this and then I'll tilt to make sure that I can get all the paint to all the sides and get it even. Okay. I'm just using, I got this at Jerry's Artorama. It's, wiping it on my clothes. It is a great little palette knife tool. All right, so I'm just gonna pour this on around till it gets off all the sides. I'll get it towards you. This stuff sets really, really fast. So like these paintings dry in a day. But they also, like I did one that was a Dutch pour, and it was basically drying while I was still painting. So you got to really kind of work fast with these. It's that, I think, gloss medium that's in there. Okay, let me get this side down here and then over. See how that's moving? It's just so slow, even though it's a very thin liquid. Okay, so my idea is to pour a couple lines and just do like a very minimalist swipe. So I'll see if that works. So I've got my silicone. I'm using the Artist Loft silicone and the Artist Loft Ready Pour paints. Can you see that? So I think I'm just gonna do a line right here. And then maybe another line right there. Just kind of a minimalist swipe. I want the colors to go over each other because when I do this palette knife, you'll see the colors will make multicolored cells. I actually don't think I'm gonna use the gold in this one. I think I'll save it for the black swipe. And I'm gonna put a little bit of there, a little bit there, and then I'll do a little bit of the white in between. If it will ever come out of this bottle. The white, obviously coming out of the bottle, does not have any silicone in it. Okay, wish me luck. I'm gonna swipe this way first. I'm just lightly touching, and then I'll torch. I don't like that white right there, so I may come back through that, and I'm just gonna come back up through this one right here. So I'm gonna just pour that off right there. Easy fix. Okay, now I'm gonna torch. I already like this one. I may blow out a little bit on these edges. lovely. Oh, my torch, it's got resin on it. Jeez, I need to get my other torch. Wow. It looks like water. Looks like splashing water, you guys. Okay, I'm actually gonna get my straw. Okay, so now I'm just gonna y'all, that is so darned cool. I'm leaving that just as is. I'm not doing anything else. I might do. Like it's splashing up. Oh my gosh. Yay! Let me show you. I love it. Let me show you. Okay. Here it is. Look at all those cool cells. And then that's where I blew it with the straw. Look at that. Wow. So cool. Let's see how it dries. Okay guys, here this one is dry. Look at how cool all those cells are. It really does look to me like two splashes of water or something. I really do enjoy working with the Artist Loft Ready Pour paints. I'm not affiliated with them or anything, and they're actually quite expensive to buy if you don't have a coupon, but I really do I like the finish that they have, and I just like the way the paints react. They hold silicone pretty well. Some of these kind of, they went larger, the cells went larger. That is like a mirrored, oh my gosh, I love that. Love it. But yeah, it looks like kind of like two splashes of water or something. I don't know. Whatever. You guys can let me know. All right. Thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye.